So we got this crack in this PVC pipe that we're going to try and put a patch on. So we got some acetone primer for PVC pipe that we're going to clean up this area with. You know, would help. So we're about to apply the patch. I put some marks, some landmarks, so I know where I have to put it. And then I'm going to hit it with the UV light for about 10 minutes. So let's get started with that. So I got the patch. I took it out of the package. I'm going to get ready to apply it. And I'll get back to you when I'm putting it up there. Okay, as you can see, I started putting the patch on. Got it to the landmarks, pushing it down in all the sides to make it watertight. And then I'm going to hit it with the UV light. Be a lot easier than changing the pipe, because then I'd have to break the walls upstairs, and I'm not interested in getting involved in that project. I'll be back to you. Alright, so the patch is on. I got this UV light at Amazon. I'm going to see how well it works. And we got to shine it on here for about 10 minutes. So the UV light is on. And I'll catch you back in 10 minutes. Alright, it's been almost about 10 minutes now. I'm going to keep it going for a little bit longer. The patch really seems to be getting hard at this point. We'll keep moving it and get back to you. Alright, it's been about a half hour. I left the light shining on it. Oh, it's definitely hard. It's curing. There's no doubt about that. Remember, this thing does put out an odor. Leave the door open. I'm working in a basement, and I opened up the door leading out to get some air in here. So I left the light shining on the patch for about an hour and a half. It's quite hard. We're going to test the water by running some faucets upstairs to see if it still has a leak or if it's escaping somehow. So I'm running the washing machine, the tub, and the toilet. That's all the lines that are on this drain. And so far, I don't see any drips or anything that would say that we're leaking. It's been about an hour, and I'll check back a little bit later. So it's a little over 2 days now, and no leaks. Pretty impressed. As you can see, as you can hear, the laundry is working. You can hear the drain.